shall brutalize your person.
You haven't lost your touch. I'm surprised his men were foolish enough to fight you.
Now, truth be told, my superlative intellect notwithstanding, it would appear this is not, in fact, the specific cell I so confidently referenced earlier. The one with the secret exit has 2 beds. All right, you have prevailed, Your Majesty. I concede. However, I entreat you to entertain a certain proposal.
You have nothing to offer, Ferret. It's over.
That pronouncement is objectively devoid of merit. I happen to have on my person a substantial quantity of currency. Let me go free, and the money is yours. You royal miscreant! This grievous malefaction shall be rewarded with equally grievous retribution.
The treasury is simply bursting with wholesome, nutritious gold. I sometimes spend hours staring at this glorious accomplishment. Our wealth surpasses all expectations. I must congratulate you, Your Majesty. But the kingdom demands your attention once more. The time has come to make a decision on Albion's drinking laws. Under Logan's rule, our citizens are restricted in the amount of alcohol they can purchase per day. As you can imagine, this has proved a rather unpopular measure. And yet many respected members of the community think the law does not go far enough. They would like alcohol consumption wholly abolished among the commoners. They feel, rather reasonably, that it leads to improper behavior and raucous public spectacles. These concerned nobles are willing to pay handsomely for the change in policy. Meanwhile, the commoners themselves would like the restrictions completely lifted, claiming they infringe upon their freedom and their rights. You cannot please everyone, Your Majesty, but you must make a decision. Very good. Perhaps this is not the time to be implementing radical new measures. It will give both the gentry and the rabble something to complain about. Who knows? It may take their minds off their impending doom. Let us move on to other matters, Your Majesty. You have a busy day in the throne room ahead. Samuel, the head of the Brightwall Academy, is ready to plead his case. I sincerely hope he isn't after a handout, though I'm sure Master Reaver will be the voice of reason, as always.
Ah, hello. Fancy a bit of counting, do you? Your special gift is still waiting for you to open it. Surely you've had enough anticipation by this point? Welcome to the sanctuary.
Mum! Great to see you!
Hello, Mummy. Hello.
Got any presents?
Are you going to stay home long this time?
Mum!
Hmm?
Hi! Hey!
Oh.
Look, I took the money you gave me, and I bought you a gift. Pretty thoughtful, eh?
Your clothes? Tickle
Come
time
here.
again.
You know how to make a man feel nice and naughty all at the same time. That's quite a talent. That's very nice, love. Very nice indeed.
It's cool being the son of a hero. Sometimes they pick on me at school.
Do you think I'll be as pretty as you when I grow up? Wait for me, Mum!
I applaud your choices.
Daddy is. I hope things stay like this forever.
something we couldn't get if we wanted to. I don't like you.
Don't go without me, Mum.
Well, hello, darling.
We're so rich. Does that mean we're better than everyone else?
Ah, hello.
Please, you've got to help me. I'm so worried.
Any other business to attend to?
At least you'll be feeding the local wildlife with your cold, dead corpse.
Seeing you brings back memories of wanting my eyes gouged out.
Ah, a hero! I'm writing a book about a hero. 2, actually. Who go on a grand adventure and save the world. And along the way learn something about life and love. And that's the tricky bit. The action is thrilling, the banter is punchy, but any scene where they express their feelings for one another falls a bit flat. I've nothing to draw inspiration from. I've asked passing villagers to express themselves to each other one-on-one. Most give me a weird look and hurry away. And the ones who indulge me, frankly, take it further than I'd like. None of it helps. I don't want to see the crude, awkward fumblings of everyday folk. I need the searing intensity and awe-inspiring passion only heroes can achieve. Do you know another hero you could bring here? A real live hero? Someone you cooperate with? You are a mighty, but you cannot give me what I need alone. Another hero.
The taller they are, the farther they have to fall.